Hi, I'm Carly with Avid Armor, and today I'm going to show you how to vacuum seal mason jars with our Cellar Series Reserve Chamber Vacuum Sealer. The cool thing about this chamber vacuum sealer is the depth of the chamber because it allows you to vacuum seal multiple sizes of mason jars all the way up to a half gallon. The half gallon can fit directly in the chamber on its side. But for today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can utilize the jar stand that comes with the chamber sealer. So then it creates a ledge inside the chamber so you can double stack smaller jars inside the chamber and fit more than usual. So before you begin, you're going to want to check your vacuum settings. You're going to do this by clicking the canister button in the top right, and it's going to display can. And then to check your time, you're going to hold down that button until it displays E and then a number. That number is the vacuum time. So you can go up and down with the plus and minus buttons, and 25 is probably a good setting for what we're going to do today. Once you have your desired time, you're going to hit the canister button again, and then you're ready to start loading your jars. But before I start loading the jars, I'm going to place this silicone mat in the bottom of the chamber, which is going to protect the bottom of the chamber and also the glass jars. So I'm going to put a few in the bottom, and then use the jar stand. It's going to create a ledge so I can fit more on top. Also, I forgot to mention that you want to make sure that the rings are on loose on all of your cans so it allows the air to escape in the vacuum cycle, essentially. So then you're going to close the lid, and you're going to hit the vacuum button. You're going to apply pressure and make sure the vacuum engages, and you're just going to let it run its cycle. So once the cycle is complete, you can open it and remove your jars, and you can either remove the ring for storage, you can check that it's vacuum sealed, or you can tighten the ring back on and store it like that.